Hey everybody, welcome to Bura. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about the February free products on the Unreal Engine. Alright, welcome back. Before this video, I want to make sure you like, subscribe. The more like subscribers you get, the more content we can make. So, there is a lot of really cool items here on the Unreal Marketplace here. So the first of all, if you don't know, the Unreal Engine gives some free assets away every month. And this month, we're going to be looking at the February. So the first thing that's really cool is this supermarket here. So one of the things I highly recommend you do is download all of these, even if you don't actually want any of them, just because you might use something for later on. But this supermarket is actually pretty cool. It has a parking lot. Even if you want to set up a scene, like a flashback in your game, this is something that's really cool. It's actually quite detailed, and you have a small supermarket here. Now, what's also cool about this particular asset here is that it is actually modular too. So you can make some. It has everything individually here as well. But you can basically make your own supermarket here, or even if you're just adding in this. This is actually, I would say, good enough itself. But it's got a lot of really cool features here. So even if you don't need any of these items here, you might need like a cereal box or something in your game here. Next up, we have the Bossy Enemy animation pack. Now, this is actually really cool. There's a lot of really cool animations here. And if you don't know, animations are actually are something that you want to have a big arsenal of, because you never know when you need an animation here. Now, this is the particularly classic gaming animations here. So if you just need to add in animations, I highly recommend that you do that here as well. So go ahead and download that. Next up, we have the Winter Forest. And the Winter Forest, it looks pretty cool. If you need to have a winter scene here. Any kind of environment is always good to have, because you never know when you need to add in a winter scene to your game here. It's got some trees, etc. Even if it's something simple, I highly recommend doing it here. Now, bonus points if you actually take this and make a small level out of it. That's what the best thing you can do is. All right, now this next one here is really awesome. It gives you a stylized modular character. Now, I think this is really cool. It gives you all these different kinds of outfits, and what it does is it lets you, again, if you're making some kind of game where you need color customization or any kind of customization here, like, this is really cool. I think this looks pretty awesome. You got kind of like the Guile hair here, and you can basically customize it any way you want in this kind of low poly detail here. So I think this is really cool. If you haven't if you haven't downloaded this, I highly recommend downloading it. All right. So, and last but not least, we have the Industrial Aerial Hanger. So this looks pretty cool. Again, I always download these because you never know when you might need them here. And there's a lot of materials and buildings that you might use here. And look, there's even shipping crates. You can make a whole level just with concrete and shipping crates here. So this is actually really neat. I think it's awesome here. So please download them and make sure that you check back to Bura every month. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you really like this channel, you can subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. We have monthly and yearly options. We release 20 to 60 hours of fresh new e-learning content per month every month. And it really does help us out when you subscribe.